I'm Sharon Benson with Coldwell Banker Bain in Tacoma, Washington, and I'm here to give you a couple ideas of questions you might ask a lender should you be considering a rehab or a renovation loan, and specifically a FHA 203K loan. If what the first question might be is who will I make my mortgage payments to after the sale closes? And this might be really important because sometimes after it closes, now you don't have the same assistance if you're dealing with a totally different bank at the other end. Second question might be, well, who's going to manage the draw process for the contractors for the work that's done? Again, if you're working with somebody who's getting the primary loan and then somebody else will be handling it after the fact, a different institution, you may have some difficulties or not the support that you might want. And then the third question might be is, how long will my contractor have to wait to be paid? In some cases, some banks can take up to 4 to 6 weeks to get payment out. There are others that can do it between 7 and 10 days and 72 hours after completion of work. So you really want to understand how your contractor will be paid and that process so you can stay on track with that. Fourth question would be, what if I want to do some of the work? Some lenders are allowing that, some lenders don't allow that, so ask the question. Do I need a HUD consultant would be your fifth question. A HUD consultant can cost you about $700, about that amount. Some lenders require them on all 203Ks, some lenders do not, so ask that one. Ask the lender if they can provide references for people that they have done rehab loans for in the past. Most of them should be very willing to share some of their references with you, and it's a good thing to talk to them about the experience, the process, what to expect, what not to expect, and so that you're not disappointed or run into stumbling blocks that you can't overcome. You might ask them also, how many renovation loans have they done? Some, certainly 203K or rehab loans are becoming more and more popular. Some lenders are very experienced at this, and I would certainly want to guide you a little bit toward those who are experienced, because the process can be challenging and you want somebody who knows what they're doing. Eighth question is, what is the minimum amount of work that can be done? What is the maximum amount of work that can be done? And there really is no minimum. It could be anything from just $1,000 up to the sky's the limit if you wanted to do a total rehab. Or in some cases, like buying a home that has been, maybe a builder started it but never finished the home. So there's all kinds of work to be done. There are loans for that, so you can buy those homes. Ninth question would be is, what if my contractor's bid comes over $35,000? What happens? Again, some lenders are very capable of doing the whole 203K, which is not the streamlined product, but the more extensive product. So know what your lender is capable of doing and the experience of your loan officer. And 10 is, do I have to have more than one contractor? Can I only use one? Again, this varies lender to lender. So ask the question, know what your lender is capable of doing, make sure you're comfortable with the experience of your loan officer, and have fun house hunting. Talk to you later.